blessed with the presence of Stefan Schadela. He is from Germany and a German delegated education consultant.
It has been a while since I have been doing this, since I did this for last time. And I think what you do here is very important. First of all, opportunity for this. You have a long legacy of sending young people from Kerala to other regions, Gulf states, United Kingdom. And Germany is quite new here. Germany is also, it's a different cultural context. Having a residential school gives them the opportunity to focus on what is important in life. And I wish you great success for this, and I hope that we are going to welcome your graduates and journalists.
The German labor market is opening up now for new professions. We had already the two-part system before, so this was for academic careers, for people, for example, from IT, and we have already, I would say, about 1 decade of experience with people from India. And since 2020, the labor market in Germany is opening up also now for other professions, like nursing and technical fields. And what is unique in Germany, we have the system of dual vocational education, which also is the cornerstone of the German industry. And it actually consists of 2.5 to 3 years of study, with about 50% theory and 50% practice. And theory and practice are very much interconnected, so this is quite unique in the world. And it offers opportunities in a variety of fields, nursing as well, but also mechanics, mechanical engineering. It offers opportunities for electricians, for plumbers. So we are very much welcoming in Germany nowadays motivated young people dedicated to study, dedicated to learn a foreign language, dedicated to be interested in the German society and culture, and to work together with us and come to Germany and see this as an opportunity. Nani?
ജർമ്മനിലേക്ക് പറക്കാം.
ജർമ്മനിലേക്ക് പറക്കാം.
ഇതിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് നമുക്കറിയാം.
ഇന്നിവിടെ ഈ ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ട വിസ ഫോർ സ്റ്റഡിയുടെ ഫോറിൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ് റെസിഡൻഷ്യൽ ക്യാമ്പസിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതൊരു ഗുരുകുലം മെത്തേഡിൽ കുട്ടികളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കൺസെപ്റ്റ്. ഇത് കേരളത്തിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈമാണ്. കാരണം എല്ലായിടത്തും ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ ഓൺലൈൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബ്ലെൻഡഡ് ക്ലാസ് റൂമാണ്, ഓൺലൈൻ ലേണിംഗ് ആണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് കൂടുതൽ ടൈം എടുക്കും കുട്ടികൾ പഠിച്ചിറങ്ങാൻ. 8 മാസമോ 1 വർഷമൊക്കെ എടുക്കും. എസ്പെഷ്യലി ജർമ്മൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ്